Welcome to Integrator Dima channel, and today 7th behavior design pattern named observer. So let's start. The advantages. We can see that it is one-to-many dependencies between objects, loose coupling, scalability, and reusability. So now we can imagine it like it's like a neighborhood, and other neighborhoods, for example, are like observer, so they can see, oh, okay, you have bought a new car. So we can receive this information and somehow act with it, like let's go for a ride. Or if it is a UI layout, we are asking, hey, do you have a change? Yes. Okay, then I will do some API request. Or another observer can say, hey, I will re-render UI, let's go. And now let's see what key components it has in TypeScript. First of all, it's interface of observer. It has one method, update. Let's move on. Another interface is subject. So this is actually the thing that observer will look on and check if some updates come and react on them. Now we have interface of both. Let's create a class of concrete subject. So you can see that it implements a subject interface. It has a list of observers. It can add observer, remove observer, notify all observers. So it goes and loops through all the observers and execute. It's the only method update. And also it can simulate a change state and notify all observers in this method. Let's say change state. So you can see here it execute its own like change of the state and then notify observers. Okay, so the next step is to implement the concrete observers. So this can be like different parts of your application that do some job, some tasks, and react on changes from observer. So for example, this one will just log some message from observer A, this one will log another message, and I will extend it, for example, and send request, and this one, for example, and render UI. So let's see it in action. So to see it in action, we can first initialize like and create an instance of concrete subject, and here it will be our subject variable. Then we create observers A and B, and then we take the subject and add observers to it. So first observer, second one. The simplest usage will be like this, executing the code. So you can see that change state to new state 1. Okay, so we triggered this method and it has its own task, and additionally it notifies observers. Both observers can receive it. The first one send request, let's say, second re-rendered UI. Okay, so now we are clearing the console and we will remove first observer A and change the state, and let's see. So this part is the same, but then state changed to second iteration and concrete observer B only reacts on it, so only UI was re-rendered. So that's basic idea. It's really easy to use. It's not coupled, it's scalable and reusable. So that's it. Thanks. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.